Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with yet another interesting case of our bulk campaign launcher series. In this video, I want to show you how you can upload any number of campaigns into multiple ad accounts at once. What I'm going to do in this video is I have 30 creatives that I want to test in a campaign, each in a separate ad set. So I'm going to create one campaign with 30 ad sets, each ad set having one creative. And then I'm going to launch this campaign into 3 different ad accounts at once. The whole process is just going to take a few minutes, but it really takes a few minutes just the first time because we are setting up everything the first time. But once we save it as a template, then the next time the process is much faster. All right, let me show you how that works. Okay, now I'm inside the optimizer. To access the campaign launcher, go to the campaign creator and click on Facebook. This is going to launch an interface that is very similar to the Facebook, to the Meta's ad manager. So you will have no difficulties navigating this structure. So you have your campaign, ad set, and ad navigation here on the left, and the same basically settings for each of those levels. All right, let's get started. Let's start by selecting our ad account. The first ad account out of 3 that we are going to launch. First, we are going to build our campaign structure into this ad account, and then we are going to replicate that into as many ad accounts, as many new ad accounts as we want. So first, let's go over and fill in all the basic settings of our campaign and see a few interesting options that allow us to automatically generate 30 ad sets from 30 creatives that we're gonna upload. I'm gonna go really quick. So for the campaign level, I'm not changing anything, leaving all the basics, switching to the ad set, the same. So the naming, I'm not gonna go over and set up proper naming right now, but you can do that. You can create naming, dynamic naming templates if you want to generate some names automatically. There are a lot of placeholders you can choose from here to build your naming templates. So go do that, or check one of my other videos that go over that on how to do some naming templates. But we are scrolling down quickly here. One thing that we need to do is under this custom section that we have on our launcher that you don't find on Meta is the structure your ad set section. Here is where we tell the platform how many ad sets, how many ads we want per each ad set so that it can calculate the number of total ad sets that will be generated. This is the third option, generate ad sets based on the number of ads. We turn it on and we tell it that we need 1 ad per each ad set. So once we go to the ad level and we create our 30 ads, this option here will make it possible to automatically generate 30 ad sets out of that. There are a couple of other options here, which I'm not going to go over in these videos, but there are a few other videos which use these other options. One is generate ad sets based on ad groups. And groups are a mechanism that, another mechanism that we have on our campaign launcher that you can use to generate different variations of a specific section. And for example, on the ad level, we have groups on the identity section, on the destination URL section, and on the creative section. If, for example, you want to use multiple Facebook pages during your launch, you create multiple groups on the identity level, and then here you can tell the platform that I want a separate ad set for each identity group, which means each ad set will use a specific page if that's what you want. But basically, groups are a mechanism of generating variations, and here you can tell the engine that based on the number of groups for each group or for each combination of groups. For example, you can say I want an ad set for each identity and creative group, so it will combine together whatever number of groups you have on the identity level with the groups on the creative level, and for each combination is going to generate a new ad set. So these are the powerful options that I was talking about that you don't find on the classical Meta's ad launcher, which makes our bulk campaign launcher more powerful. But for now, this is the only ad setting that we care about. So let's scroll down. Let's choose a pixel, a custom conversion. Let's give this cost per result a value because we went for that. I'm leaving everything again standard, a $25 budget for our ad sets, audience, change it to whatever you are targeting, and so on. So that's the ad set level. Let's go to the ad now and select our Facebook page and move down to the creative section. Here is where we upload our images or videos. So let's go and do that. You can upload from your local PC or use any of your existing images. I'm going to use the existing images just to make it as simple as possible. So I'm going to select 30 images from here. 28. Let's select two more. 29, 30. So here above it says 30 images selected. Now I'm going to go and click next. You can adjust any cropping for a specific placement if you need to in this section. If not, just move next. Here is another interesting custom option that we have, which is powerful because it allows you to turn off the Advantage Plus Creative Enhancement for all the ads that you are launching in just one single click. So if you want to turn off Advantage Enhancement, just click this and it is going to do it for all the ads that you are creating. Or if you want to customize it and keep a few on, then do it from here and it's gonna do it. I'm going to keep this off. Next, and that's it. We have our creatives uploaded. Fill in your primary text, headlines, and everything. Enter your destination URL here. And that's it. We have also completed the ad level settings. Now, what we have done so far, we have created our launch structure, which is going to launch if we move forward like this without doing anything else. Go to review variations to the next step. Here's going to give us an overview of what we are doing. And as you can see, we are creating one campaign with 30 ad sets and 30 ads because we instructed the platform to do that. And here you can see a preview of those ads and ad sets that are being created. Now, we don't want to launch one campaign. What we want to do is we want to launch the same campaign into more than one ad account. So for that, we go back to our structure and we duplicate this structure. Click on duplicate campaign, click on the campaign level on the three dots and click on the duplicate campaign. And for this new structure, we switch our ad account. So let's go with this one. And repeat this process for how many ad accounts you want to upload. Duplicate campaign again, switch ad account, and that's it. Now, one important thing here to know is that this is going to work just like this without doing anything else if the pages and the pixels and everything that we have used are available on all these ad accounts that you have selected. But if for this ad account, for example, you need to select a different page and a different pixel because you work with different assets here, then go and do that. Go to the ad level and change the page to something else, or go to the ad set level and change the pixel and everything else. So make sure to adjust these assets for each ad account because otherwise the launching is going to fail. And that's it. Now, if we move forward, it says that we are launching 3 campaigns in total because we are launching the same into 3 ad accounts and 90 ad sets and 90 ads. So as you saw, it took us just a few minutes to do this whole thing and launch this complex campaign into 3 ad accounts, which manually would have taken you for sure like a couple of hours if you are very experienced, but maybe more, because you'd have to recreate, especially on each ad account, you'll have to recreate that manually. But even on a single ad account, creating one campaign with 30 ad sets and 30 ads, it's not a joke. It takes some time. So here it took us a few minutes, but just because we are building this from scratch. Now, what we can do here is we can save this as a template. We can call it my template. And then on our next launch, let's close it. On our next launch, what we do is, instead of rebuilding everything, we just click on apply template, and boom, our structure is here already. So we don't need to do anything. So if you launch the same structure again and again, you can save it as a template. And what you need to do here basically is just go to each ad section of each campaign and upload your new images, clear whatever is there, upload your new images, and repeat this process for each ad level. You don't have to touch anything else on any other level. And obviously you can create as many of these structures as you want to cover all your use cases, save them, and use whatever template you need for your specific use case, for your specific launch that you are doing that day. All right, so that's it. If you are into launching and testing the same campaigns into multiple ad accounts, go and sign up for a free trial for the campaign launcher at the Optimizer and try this for yourself, and you'll see that it is really, really a huge time saver, and it will make your life easier, and it will make you want to test more, because the whole process becomes as simple as it gets. I'm Erwin from the Optimizer. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in other videos.